Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is 2 p.m. on October 22nd, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you guys on how to set up your Mailchimp boxes, lead capture boxes. Okay, this is in continuation from the webinar we did on Sunday, how to turn your followers into customers. I'm sorry. And I know that I spoke to you guys a lot about email marketing. So just not to leave any stone unturned, I wanted to make sure I came back and just did a quick. I'm going to try to make this in 5 minutes. Okay. So we're on Mailchimp.com. This is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, hit login. And the first thing you want to do when you come in here is you want to create a list. So you'll come right here and you'll click on list. It's going to be slow for us because we are streaming. So please bear with me. I'm going to get through this. Okay. And then you want to hit create list. And then you want to fill in the list information. So I'm going to do one really quick. I'm going to call this Instagram bosses. All right. From your default email, I am just going to choose one that I think I have in here already. I do not use this anymore. So I now use Get Response, as I told you guys on the webinar, but I do recommend Mailchimp for individuals that's now starting out. Here it says remind people how they got signed up on your list. So you just want to write something in, but I'm going to choose one that I have in here already. It says you are receiving this email because you opted in at our website and you are ready to become an expert at Facebook marketing. You notice that I don't have my exact address here, but you do have to put something. Whatever's in your account, it'll preload for you. And then here you can decide what notifications you want to be sent to your email and then click save. Once your list is created, you now want to create a sign-up form that you can go ahead and put on your website. So you'll hit sign-up forms. And you'll be able to choose whether you want a general form, which says build, design, and translate sign-up forms and responsive emails. An embedded form, which if you have experience with HTML coding, you have your subscriber pop-up. That's like what you see on my site, nialaphillip.com. And then you have form integrations, which you can actually integrate it into a page, into your website. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose general. I can't go through each one today, but I want to make sure you guys just get the idea of how to do this. So I chose general, and here's where you'll fill out your choices. So, okay, let the page finish load. All right, so here's the URL. See, remember I told you guys on that webinar that there would be a URL for you to be able to put in your Instagram bio or Facebook bio, wherever you want. This would be the URL that you would use for this sign-up form. You'll be able to choose whether to let subscribers pick between an email, plain text, or HTML. And you can also choose whether to protect your sign-up form with those little codes, which are numbers and letters that you see sometimes. I really don't use these, but at least it's there if you ever, need it. You'll go ahead and fill out your email, your name. I'm sorry, not fill out your email or name. Customize these boxes: email, name, first name, last name, or you can add one of these options on the side here. So you see website, image, birthday. If you wanted any other type of information, you can go ahead and click and add it over. If you didn't want something, you could go ahead and move it away by clicking this dash right here and deleting the fields. Please enter the text exactly as it's displayed. Okay, it wants us to type delete to delete. All right. Okay, so we deleted the last name, and if we wanted them to put their website or their phone number, we'll just take that, drag it over, and there it is. So we put it in twice. I'm going to just remove one. Okay, so that is how simple it is to go ahead and build your box. If you want to go ahead and add different colors, I'm going to just put a quick message here. Okay, so that can be something that you would want to put in on your site. Don't follow what I'm doing, guys. Use your own. I'm just doing something quick to show you guys how to do this. All right, so that's how I would add in some words. And then if I want to design it, I'll click up here and I'll be able to change the background, maybe put in my own brand colors. Right? And look how that changes for me. All right, so this is pretty much it. When you're finished and you hit finished, you will get a code that you can go ahead and paste into any page on your website, depending on what platform you're using. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple box for your website. Like I said, I do use GetResponse because I like lead pages. I do think that I get a better conversion with my email marketing when I use lead pages versus just a box. But guys, when you are starting out, you don't want to overwhelm yourself. So try this out. See how it works for you. Start generating some income from your list, and then you can go ahead and move on over to GetResponse. All right, well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you head over to Facebook, facebook.com/Niala Phillip, or find me on Instagram at Niala Phillip or at The Media Maniac, and let me know how this tutorial helped. Have an awesome, awesome day, guys.